Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's me Moomba 14 here. Well, today we are on Google Books. Do you mean Google Books or just Google? Okay, you know what? We are on Google and we are gonna study again. Yeah, we're just gonna study on Google. So, um, the video actually didn't blow up because I thought like 1,000 people, because I thought 100k people would actually watch my whole video, but I'm just a small content creator with no studio, no PC, low static, nothing, no backup plan. I just have. Oh yeah, I forgot I do have plans. So I do have backup, but I'm just a small content creator. But I am just praying for y'all. I just wanna hit 100 subs. Well, we are just gonna do some 3, because if I do 5 and Android versions, then I have to end the series. So I'm only gonna do 3 today. So yeah. Um don't mind that. I just yeah, whatever. Android 2.2. Oh, okay. This is the operating system, and also you can check this by yourself if you can. And there's 1,000 people. I didn't know. Well, I don't want to make an edit, but it's since it's Thursday and it's Thursday night, I can't make an edit, or it might be too long, or then my mom is supposed to come and then I must be on my PJs and go to bed, so I can't do it. So I think Friday, because Friday's a good day, because you're supposed to be happy that day, because you have gonna have a day off on Saturday and Sunday. Yeah, I really, I really like it, but I really like the, but how, but you gotta say now, Moon. Just come stomach. What even nickname? What even? I don't care what. Oh, it was isn't a little cockroach a day. You're gonna tell me, butter. Yeah, that can be my new nickname for now. Um, butter. Were you born on 2008? No, actually, I am not born in 2008. Actually, 2015. Cause I'm like 11-year old, but I'm not there yet. I'm almost 11, kinda. Cause I'm in April. My birthday is May 13th. So yeah, oh yeah, and you can check this website. You can get the fryer, but you need to connect to your Wi-Fi. But I think the version's too old. I've never tested out the oldest versions of Android before. I only tested the one version which was on a Mobi cell phone. Yeah. Wait the. Oh my gosh. Where the heck? Yeah, look at my Google profile, bro. Like it's so drip. It's so drip. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's just read this, and then we're gonna go on to Android Gingerbread and Android Honeycomb. That's what all we're gonna do today. So yeah, Android Frio is the 6th version of Android and is a code name of the Android mobile operating system developed by Google, spanning versions between 2.2 and 2.2.3. I mean, like, it isn't a bad operating system, but I've never tested Android Fryo in my life before, guys. And don't say I'm capping the comments because I'm reading all the comments because I'm just hoping one day, one freaking day, that one people, I just pray, that 1,000 people will appreciate my content and support, and they will support me. I only test out Android Jelly Bean which is on a mobile cell phone. Those versions are no longer supported. The frame Fryo is short for frozen yogurt. Yeah, you can see this for yourself, guys. Yeah, actually, you can see this for yourself. I'm not lying. Yeah, Android Jelly Bean was supposed to be on Nexus 2, but yeah. Nah, I think I'm alright. I don't need to look for the images. Yeah, you can just look at the images, but I'm not gonna look through the thing. Okay, since Google can't give us Android Fryo of the work explaining us, because maybe I think Google thought because I said in the last episode I said, can this teacher put this work on the board? So I think it won't find it for me, so I think, yeah, it can be. Okay, so okay, this AI overview, this is what I'm talking about. Like Google wasn't like checking, like copy checking, like so. Yeah, yeah. I think this is supposed to be better than just looking at your math. This is just better than just explaining maths at one time and just taking out the book and just looking at the word like almost like staring at the sky or clock. I don't even know how smart people. I don't get them, but when they just stare at the book and just point at the wall, it's almost like staring at the clock. But that is crazy. Android 2.3, known as Gingerbread, is a landmark. Oh yeah, and you guys, if you think my reading is actually kind of good and serious, because this is my first time ever studying online, because I used to lie to my teacher that I study online and that stuff. So yeah, I'm a good liar. I'm a very good liar. Mobile operating system released by Google on December 6, 2010. That's when I got the TalkBack system. I hate it. I was suffering, but until my brother. December. Significant UI refinements, faster text input improvement, copy slash paste, better power management, in, introduced native NFC support. It was notably the first version on the Google Nexus S. Wait, but isn't like Android 2.0 supposed to be on the Nexus S? Because I thought, wait, actually now to think about it, yeah, it is actually on the Nexus S now. Yeah, to think about it. Refresh user interfaces with more concerned color scheme, blue tones, improved keyboard layout with faster, more accurate text input and better copy paste functionality, enhanced performance for gaming with support for better 3D graphics and faster multiple media. Then I'm like, bro, like this afternoon I was drinking milk and then I accidentally spit it out on my on my phone, and it, because you know how milk tastes when you drink it, when you put it in, pour it in your mouth, and it's like cold. So like I think my phone's okay, but I think it went into the system. But I think my phone is alright. So yeah, it's just dirty. Yeah, it feels slippery, like a mop. Added a built-in battery management tool to show that what apps are draining power. Introduced near field communication, communication, NFC bracket secret, support for mobile payments and data transfer. Audio video added support for SIP based VoIP internet telephony and extra media like okay. Like oh my gosh, the this is actually though a lot of work. I don't know why Android Gingerbread had the best updates back in 2010 and 2011. But I don't know why is it becoming more famous because of Jack Lawson just made that. And I don't know why Android Gingerbread like it's only 16 years old. So I don't know, guys. Like seriously, like no. Final updates include 2.3.6 and 2.3.7. East though 2011. Oh yeah, and also if you go to Google Play, actually if you just need to search up Easter eggs, you won't find a Easter egg game. You'll find the Easter egg, the Android app made by GitHub. While this video is sponsored by GitHub, well, thank you for sponsoring this video, and yeah, and if you guys wanna check it out, put it in the description down below. But I'm actually not gonna put it down because I'm too lazy for that. I only put tags like Android 10 to Android 16. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but my phone's like still like half% full, but don't know if I can make edits. As of September 27, 2021, Google dropped supporting for signing into accounts on Android 2.3.7 and lower rendering it effectively absolute for online services. It was Subspeed Android 3.0 Honeycomb tablets. Okay, bro, we are not even there. Okay, so I don't know how long it's, but it will not bring the time in yet. But if I'm sorry if this video is long, but only if I record after 1 hour, then I can't record anymore. Cause I can only. What's happening? I don't know what's wrong. Okay, I don't like it when I sit here, then like the Wi-Fi is not good here. Like when I talk to, or when I use like a Google or ChatGPT, but I actually don't use Crocs, cause for now these days I actually don't trust apps that use your permission anymore. But yeah. Android 3 Point Honeycomb released in February. Oh yeah, and it was his birthday in 22nd February. Yeah, it's only 15, so you can't get some yet right now. You have to wait until next year. Good luck, Android Honeycomb. You gonna have to get a girlfriend in 16. That girlfriend that didn't came from me. That came from you. You need to be 16 and 17 to just get a girlfriend. Introduce holographic user interface and was for larger screens. It featured a new system bar for navigation, notifications, and action bar for apps specific tasks and supported multi-core processors, though it was considered buggy and replaced by well, that's a pain in the butt, eh? Yeah, that's a real pain in the butt, eh? I really don't know why, yeah, it replaced with Android 4.0. Because I had a tablet like that, it was so buggy that its battery inside, it almost exploded like a Galaxy Note 7. Optima. Okay, what was that? Okay, never mind it. Specifically for tablet screen sizes with a new redesigned user interfaces, introduce a new visual style, a holograph theme, apps, widgets. Okay, I like this, but I kinda hate this, but I thought it was already Android Honeycomb, but I thought of it Android Jelly Bean, or no, wait, I don't understand. Did it run Android 4. Ice cream sandwich or jelly bean? I don't understand. Maybe it's jelly bean because maybe you don't know. Introduced a premises system bar at the bottom for navigation and notifications, and an action bar for contextual apps. Improved app switching allow users to view recently used apps and snapshots, included updated UI widgets, tabbed browsing, and hardware inclination. Okay, and for 2D and 3D graphics, added support for multi-core processors, I think. Yeah, watch this video. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute, chat. Oh my gosh, my phone is actually so dirty. Mo- Motorola. Motorola. Wait, 32 gigabytes? Okay. My phone is so dirty. I need to clean this right now. But, well, as you know, I'm gonna speed this up real quick. Yeah, I can speed it up. I don't care what. Okay, LT, you know what? I can't really edit because I don't know how to edit. Because, Loki, I don't know how to edit, like, seriously, like that. But okay, if y'all enjoyed that video, like and sub if uh, yeah, it's my second time and it almost forgot me that yeah